not mean to hurt you. You took me by surprise. There is still a chance.
Hello, batchmates. This is Maria Cristina Purita Reyes Santos. Puring, in case hindi nyo na natatandaan. I'm now based here in Wellington, New Zealand. Hindi man ako makasama dyan sa anniversary celebration at sa Silver Jubilee. I will be there in spirit. Hope you all girls have a fab celebration today. And I hope to see you all soon. San mang bansa, san mang parte ng mundo tayo nakatira, pulasa pa rin sa puso. Peace!
Hello, my fellow Scholasticans, batch 89. Happy homecoming to you. I can't believe it's been 25 years. This is Jocelyn Navarro. Some of you may remember me as Joanne or Anjo. I want you to meet my family. This is my husband Hayden. Hi. And my two daughters Chelsea and Victoria. And this is our kangaroo Bruno. We live in Sydney, and as you may have seen on Facebook, there's a few of us here, and we have met once. Hopefully we'll meet again and say hello to all of you again on Facebook. So it's nice to see you. Have a great time, and hopefully we'll get to join you next reunion. Bye!
Hello, batchmates. This is Jog. Happy 25th. I really wish I could be there to celebrate with you, but maybe next time. Anyway, have a great time. Thank you so much for the happy memories we've shared. Yeah, so peace and love to you all in your families. Thank you. Bye-bye.
Hi, I'm Kathy Melgar Bautista. Wish I was there. Wish you could be here. See you all soon. Enjoy your evening.
Hi, I'm Iris Hope Barrigo Cortez, and I'm currently in Singapore. Sorry I can't join you guys, but I know you'll all have a blast. Congratulations to all the organizers and to everyone who has made this alumni homecoming possible. Batch 89, we are coming home.
Hey batchmates, it's me, Christine Harona. I hope you still remember me. So I've been based here in Singapore for the last 13 years. And so let's cherish today as we come home to the place where we truly became who we are, St. Scholastica's Academy. Thank you very much. Batch 89, we're coming home.
Greetings from sunny Singapore. Yan. Okay, hindi na pala sunny. Ginabi na ako, practice ng script. Anyway, huh? I wish I could be there with you guys. Sayang, okay, ang daming dumadaan. I wish I was there to celebrate our homecoming, pero hindi ako makapunta. Siyempre, dito ko. So, hope you guys enjoy the rest of the evening. Pinaka naalala ko ngayon ay yung showdown namin ni Puring sa bus excursion natin ng BAD.
Hi, I'm Winnie Aboy. I'm now based here in Canada. Kamusta kayo, girls? Enjoy and have fun. Batch 89, we're coming home. Bye.
Hello batchmates, this is Michelle Baldemeca Belen, also known as Mekmek or ang babaeng may ingrown sa paa. Don't worry po dahil magaling na po siya at nakakapagsapatos na ako ngayon. I'm based here in The Hague in the Netherlands, married with 4 kids, 1 girl and 3 boys. I landed in IT, and that's one thing I'm thankful of dahil sa Saints ko nakahiligan ng math, and I came into this field at the right time. I'm also thankful dahil sa Saints ko namit ang aking mga best friends for life na kahit saan kami mapadpad, kami pa rin talaga yung magkakaibigan. And more importantly, I'm thankful dahil sa Saints ko na ho ng aking faith, which really helped me through some difficult points in my life. Sayang nga kasi I really wanted to attend the reunion pero hindi pwede ngayon. Still, I'm really thankful sa mga organizers dahil sa walang kapaguran yung paghahanda para sa ating reunion at para maging successful ito. Keep the pictures coming. Haabangan ko yan sa Facebook dahil I'm sure doon kayo magpo-post. And once a Kulasa, always a Kulasa. Batch 89, we're coming home.
Sunshine, she's here. You can take a break. Come along if you feel like a room without a roof. Here come bad news, talking this and that. Clap along if you know what happiness is. Bring me down, can't nothing bring me down. The lovers too. Clap along if you feel like that's what you want to do. Clap along if you feel like that's what you want to do.
Then and now. Ito po si Pamela Junicio. I work at Chase as a business analyst and I live in Lansing, Illinois, US with my parents. I also volunteer as cantor, lector, and minister of communion sa Holy Ghost Church. Kamusta po kayo and God bless. Batch 89, we are coming home.
Kulasas Batch 89, I'm Catherine Andres and I'm currently based in Alexandria, Virginia. I can't believe that it's been 25 years since our graduation. My props ako! At sayang at hindi ako makakapunta ngayon dyan, pero alam ko naman na magpo-post kayo ng photos at saka videos sa Facebook and YouTube. So, keep on doing that para hindi namin kayo ma-miss. To all organizers, to all our batchmates, thank you for everything that you do. Thank you for the programs that you do. Keep on doing it. Good job, guys. We will support you in any way that we can. Batch 89, we are coming home. Peace.
Hello, I'm Margaret Roldan, but I'm better known to my batchmates as Bambi De La Rosa. I send you greetings from Ashburn, Virginia in the United States. Here I work in information technology at the George Washington University, which is based in Washington, D.C. I want to say congratulations to Batch 89 for a successful homecoming reunion. Thanks for making us who work and live abroad a part of the celebration. I also want to thank St. Scholastica's Academy for taking good care of us while we spent all those years within her walls. In my case, from kindergarten to 4th year high school. Thank you for the values you gave me, ora et labora, to always do my best and to always strive to grow closer to the Lord. I hope all of you have fun and I wish everyone the best. Batch 89, we are coming home.
Hi! Hello there! Hello! Turuan na lang Hi! Happy 25th anniversary to everybody. Ako si Ivy. Michelle.
Melissa. Bumabati from Los Angeles, dito sa California.
And it's time to celebrate us! Right?
Yes, we're coming home. Hindi kami makakapunta, but we're with you in spirit.
And I hope you guys have a great time.
Enjoy!
You want justice? I'll give you real justice. Nagpunta rin po ako sa condo. Myrna Hadjirul, special education teacher from the Bay Area, Vallejo, California. Wala akong nagbago, bakla pa rin ako. Batch 89 SSAM, we're coming home. I thank you.
Come with me, close your eyes and touch what